Representation of Indonesian beauty in cosmetic advertisement by Berti Alia Bahaduri for ACCS 2014. This study will talk about Sari Ayu that has been placing their ads in Indonesian Woman magazine with wide circulation and targeted Indonesian women with high socioeconomic status. And I use content analysis and story grammar for this study. In content analysis, I will look at page structure or layout because how we see an advertisement has its own hierarchy. Afterwards, I will look at the typography used in the advertisement and then the color schemes that features every year, and last will be the main image of woman in the advertisement. The narrative in the advertising series, I'm going to use story grammar and show the trends from the narrative. Put the main image on the recto page and the headline and the theme on the verso page. On the year 1977, 2001, 2006, 2007, 2010, and 2013, they changed the placement and put the main image on the recto page and the headline and theme on the verso page. On the year 2000 and 2011, Sari Ayu was featuring 4 women as the main image. Therefore, the main image is spread across recto to verso page. As example here is the printed ad from year 2000. Next will be the typography. The specialized typography for theme of the year is always stylized with elements from the featured culture. For instance, the Mount Bromo theme in 1990 has replaced the letter O with representation of the sun, because Mount Bromo is popular with its magnificent sunrise. While in 1997, traditional Dayak motifs were used to enhance the word Dayak. In 2005, Sari Ayu used traditional Balinese flag to replace the letter I. This tendency in practice since the 1990s. As in typography structure, Sari Ayu always use the same structure except in 1990 where they put the headline across from a recto to verso page, and in 1997 where they put the main image and the headlines and the body text on the recto page. In effort to maintain true to its yearly theme, Sari Ayu always features specific color taken from each culture or theme. Thus, every year there are different color schemes for the advertisement. As you can see here, Sari Ayu used more colors since 1990, and it escalates and reached the most numbers of color used in the year 2000 because Sari Ayu featured 4 cultures on that year. Color most frequently used are in shade of red and brown, and neutral color always feature because they are considered important for the customer. Now we're going to discuss the main image. Since 1987, Sari Ayu always used female model as the main image. They use it as an example for makeup application. In most ads, there's only one model in a recto page. This tendency happened from 1987 to 1998, which used a famous Indonesian model. She bears the Indo-European look with Caucasian face feature. In 1999, Sari Ayu used a model with Japanese facial feature. Afterward, they preferred model with Indo-European facial features again, with exception in 2000 and 2011. Now we can talk about the story grammar. As you can see in the timeline, there are 27 themes in overall, and Sari Ayo featured culture or site from Java 9 times, or in year 1987, 1990, 1995, 1999, 2002, 2007, 2009, and 2013. Time and trends also set the tone for the ads. You can also view the other influence from Indonesian culture, such as cultures from Sumatra or Borneo or other Indonesian islands, especially the ones in East Indonesia. But they're not significant in the narrative told by the advertisement series from Sari Ayu. Sarajevo set milestone on year 2000 and 2011 where they feature 4 culture in 1 year. In conclusion, Sarajevo has been consistent in showing the visual example of Indonesian beauty through its cosmetic promotion, and in this case, especially in the printed advertisement. According to content analysis, there are consistency in page structure or layout every year, and in featuring traditional color and typography. Main images are using model with Indo-European facial features, and thus giving the perception about modernity as westernized idea. According to story grammar, there are continuity in featuring Javanese culture and natural heritage, and other Indonesian culture as in-betweens. I would like to thank you for your consideration, and any inquiries, please contact me at berti.alia@gmail.com.